I have interest in maurako, maupatu. I have interest in Māori practices of gardening, te reo Māori, waiata Māori, kapahaka. I think make more time for myself, because a lot of it's devoted to my children, and often I forget, like, if I don't look after myself before I look after them, it can be a lot harder. So yeah, making more time for things that I'm interested in, yeah, so that I'm good, ready to go, and then can look after my tamariki. Yeah, I think it's about being proud of who I am and where I come from, and then yeah, so if my children see that, then they can also be proud of themselves and where they come from, so that they know who they are, where they come from, what it means to be Māori and proud to be Māori. I think just to put more in with them, because my needs are filled, I filled up my cup, then I can go on to help them to achieve what they need and what they want.